Okay, now we have 6 more flags. Let's go for this one, Scavenger Hunt. I remember this. I hate it. I remember. Okay, let's see the CSS and the JavaScript file. Okay, we have the first part of the flag. Now we have the second part. It was here. That's where is the third part? Shouldn't it be here? Oh, how can I keep Google from indexing my website? Let's go to robots.txt. Great, I think this is an Apache server, and I think I remember this, but maybe it's like .ht access. Yes, it is. And the Mac I can store, which is the .ps store, and we got it. These are some famous, or it's used a lot, some directories used a lot, or some files. We can check this. You can see all of the files in the description. I will leave them to you. These should be known if you plan to be like a web penetration tester or a bug hunter. Now let's go with get ahead. To get ahead of the competition. Oh, this hurts my eyes. Nothing here in the source code. Unlucky. Now let's see this in burp. Maybe what happens when we like choose red. And wait a second. I think I'm done. Okay, if we choose red, it sends a get request, and if we choose blue, it sends a post request. Okay, and it's called get ahead. Maybe we should try sending ahead right here. I hate myself. Okay, I hate myself. Let's go and solve the last one. Don't use client side. Let's try it. Can you break into this super secure portal? I can enter valid credentials. Okay, this is gonna be md5.js. It's not found. Okay, this is gonna be like you can. You don't even have to send it to ChatGPT. I think it's gonna be like Pico. It's just we have to. This is at the end. For the 5, we don't start with this. I don't think so. We start with no C. Okay, no client. I mean, we could have sent this to ChatGPT, but let's try to solve it ourselves. We used this. I think this is the last one. Oh, have we used this? Oh no, before the 5. Please. We used this. I think this is the last piece of the puzzle. Let's test it. Yes, it is. Now let's try to send this to ChatGPT. Let's make it get us the flag. It's gonna get it way faster than us, but yeah, it's a puzzle. We had to do it ourselves, I think. PicoCTF, no clients, please. B and this. Okay, it gave us the flag. It's super easy.